equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the CPU regulator. First, power down your Victus 15 and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery by unscrewing the screws located at the back of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the back cover. There are typically around 10 screws holding it in place. Once the screws are out, gently pry the back cover off using the plastic spudger. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover removed, locate the CPU regulator. It is usually situated near the CPU and is identifiable by its distinct shape and soldered connections. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean the area around the CPU regulator with compressed air. This will help prevent dust from entering the laptop during the repair. Now, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. To remove the old CPU regulator, carefully desolder the connections using a soldering iron. Make sure to note the orientation and placement of the regulator, as you will need to install the new one in the same manner. If you're unsure about this step, we can provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you understand the process better. Once the old regulator is removed, take your new CPU regulator and position it in place. Solder the connections securely, ensuring there are no cold joints or bridges between the pins. This step is crucial for the proper functioning of your laptop. After soldering, double-check your work. It's always a good idea to inspect the area for any stray solder or debris that could cause issues later. If you need assistance, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. Now, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back cover back on, ensuring all clips are secured. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping the threads. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your Victus 15. Check to see if the laptop boots up correctly and that the CPU is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We are here to assist you with no calls, no travel, making the process as convenient as possible. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the CPU regulator on your Victus 15. Enjoy your newly repaired laptop. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.